If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to never miss any update from our channel.
Guys, welcome to Gadget Class, and today in this video I'll be showing you how you can activate Geo Prime membership for another 1 year. So if you have not watched my previous video, that is where I have gave you all the details about the extension of Prime membership and earning, like, along with how you can do it for new users as well as old users. So I'll be giving you in the I buttons above, so do it. First you have to go to my Geo app. That is, after going to there you will get a red message that is it will be written congratulations, extended Geo Prime for 1 year for free. So as you can see here, it is written get now. You can just click on the get now option, and you will redirect to the page where you have to, as you can see here, it is written Geo Prime is getting bigger, so some things are written. So you will get the number here, and you can just proceed further to get the geos. Now it is written here request submitted successfully. So after doing this, you just have to click done, and it is just simple as that. So you just have to go to my Geo app and do the necessary. So, and some also get the notification of extension to, from there also you can just click in and it will take you to the my Geo app, and from there you can do. So that is for the video guys, hope you like it. Please subscribe to it.